Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok voice effects not showing on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up App Store. There you need to tap at magnifying glass icon to bring up search, and after that hit at that search text field and then just start typing TikTok. There you can select TikTok from suggested, and then once you find TikTok app, just tap on that to open up its page. And now if that button says update, just hit on that and wait until downloading and installing process to complete. This will download new app files and it will remove any of mistakes, so you definitely need to go through that process. And after that you can hit at that open button to open up TikTok app, and then you can tap at plus sign and you can now start recording a video, and just hold down your finger at the shutter icon and record a video. After that you can hit at that check mark icon to move on to the next step, and now you can hit at audio editing in that way. And here you can find a lot of different audio effects. You can apply any of them to your voice in that simple way. But if for some reason you still can't find voice effects here, you may try the next thing. First, hop out TikTok app and then go to your settings. After that, scroll down and hit on General, then iPhone Storage. Then wait for a couple of seconds and scroll down until you find TikTok app. Here it is, just get into it, and here you need to force reinstall the app because seems your TikTok app has some bugs or glitches or maybe errors and you need to fix that. So first hit at offload app, then confirm it offloads TikTok app from your device, and once you did that, just hit on reinstall the app, and now it downloading latest app core files to your device. So actually in that way you downloading and installing TikTok app just from the scratch, but all your documents and data keep saved as you can see here. So after downloading process is complete, you wouldn't be able even to enter your login and password. You can just open TikTok app and use it as you did that before. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my TikTok tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.